Can a single ETF really replace the paycheck you've spent decades earning? You've probably seen headlines claiming that SCHD can generate enough passive income to let you retire comfortably. Others argue it's impossible because the dividend yield is simply too low. So who's right? The answer isn't as straightforward as most people think. In fact, there's one overlooked factor that determines whether SCHD can realistically replace your paycheck, and it has very little to do with its dividend yield alone. Stay until the end because we'll walk through a practical framework that can help you determine whether SCHD fits your own retirement income goals. Before we begin, if you enjoy practical ETF investing content that focuses on long-term wealth and passive income instead of hype, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and share it with someone planning for retirement. It really helps the channel and lets me create more videos like this. Before we dive in, please remember that this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It should not be considered financial, legal, tax, or professional advice. Always conduct your own research and consult a qualified professional before making investment decisions. The big question. Let's start with the question everyone wants answered. Can SCHD replace your paycheck? The honest answer is yes, for some investors. No, for many others. And surprisingly, the difference often has nothing to do with SCHD itself. SCHD has built a reputation for owning financially strong companies with histories of paying and growing dividends. Rather than chasing the highest yields available, the fund emphasizes quality, profitability, and sustainable dividend growth. That's an important distinction. Many investors become obsessed with finding the highest dividend yield possible. But an extremely high yield can sometimes signal financial problems within a company. SCHD takes a different approach. Instead of trying to maximize today's income, it aims to balance current income with future dividend growth. That philosophy is exactly why many long-term investors appreciate it. But does that mean it can replace your salary? Let's find out. Your paycheck is bigger than you think. Here's the mistake many investors make. They compare their annual salary directly to SCHD's dividend payments. Imagine someone earns $80,000 per year. They immediately assume they need $80,000 annually from dividends. But that's rarely true. Why? Because your paycheck includes taxes, retirement contributions, commuting costs, payroll deductions, work-related expenses, and savings that may no longer be necessary after retirement. Your retirement spending is often significantly lower than your working income. This changes everything. Instead of asking, "Can SCHD replace my paycheck?" ask, "Can SCHD replace the amount I actually spend?" That's a much smarter question. The income math. Now let's do some simple math. Suppose SCHD has a dividend yield around 3%. Remember that yields fluctuate over time, so this is simply an example. If your annual expenses are $45,000, generating that amount entirely from dividends would require approximately $1.5 million invested at a 3% yield. At first glance, that sounds intimidating. But here's where many people stop thinking. And that's a mistake. Because dividends are only one piece of retirement income. The three-legged income strategy. One of the strongest retirement strategies isn't relying exclusively on dividends. Instead, think of retirement income as a three-legged stool. The first leg is dividend income. The second leg is Social Security or a pension if applicable. The third leg is occasional portfolio withdrawals. When these three sources work together, each one carries less pressure. For example, if Social Security covers half of your annual expenses, SCHD no longer needs to generate your entire income. Suddenly, replacing your paycheck becomes much more realistic. This is one reason experienced retirees often combine multiple income sources instead of depending entirely on dividends. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit the like button and let me know in the comments. Would you personally rely on dividends alone in retirement, or would you rather combine dividends with other income sources? I'd love to hear your perspective. Dividend growth changes the picture. Another important factor is dividend growth. Many investors focus only on today's yield. But SCHD has historically emphasized companies capable of increasing their dividend payments over time. Why does that matter? Imagine receiving the same income every year for 20 years. Meanwhile, groceries, healthcare, insurance, and housing continue becoming more expensive. Your purchasing power gradually declines. Dividend growth helps combat inflation. While future growth is never guaranteed, companies that consistently increase dividends can potentially provide rising income over time instead of fixed payments. That's a powerful advantage that often gets overlooked. Sequence of return still matters. Here's another reality that doesn't get discussed enough. Even if you plan to live entirely on dividends, market volatility still matters. Imagine retiring just before a major bear market. Your dividend income may remain relatively stable, but watching your portfolio decline by 20%, 30%, or even 40% can create emotional stress. Some investors panic. Some sell. Others abandon their long-term strategy altogether. That's why having an emergency cash reserve is incredibly valuable. A cash buffer gives you flexibility during difficult markets without forcing emotional decisions. In other words, replacing your paycheck isn't just about income. It's also about peace of mind. Should SCHD be your only ETF? This is another common question. Should someone own only SCHD? Not necessarily. SCHD is an excellent dividend-focused ETF, but diversification still matters. Many investors pair SCHD with broader market funds, growth ETFs, or international investments to create a more balanced portfolio. Why? Because no single ETF performs best in every market environment. Growth stocks may outperform during one decade. Dividend stocks may outperform during another. A diversified portfolio allows different investments to complement one another instead of relying on a single strategy. Sometimes, the goal isn't finding the perfect ETF. It's building the right combination. The hidden secret. Remember the overlooked factor I mentioned at the beginning? Here it is. The investors most likely to replace their paycheck with SCHD aren't necessarily the ones earning the highest returns. They're often the ones controlling their spending. A person spending $40,000 annually needs far less investment income than someone spending $100,000. Lifestyle inflation quietly becomes the biggest obstacle. Many people spend years searching for investments with higher yields when reducing annual expenses by a few $1,000s could have a far greater impact. That's a mindset shift worth remembering. The amount you spend may matter just as much as the amount you earn. So, can SCHD really replace your paycheck? For disciplined investors with substantial savings, realistic spending expectations, multiple income sources, and a long-term mindset, the answer can absolutely be yes. For others, SCHD may not replace an entire paycheck by itself. But it can become an incredibly valuable piece of a diversified retirement income strategy. Rather than asking whether SCHD is enough on its own, ask whether it strengthens your overall financial plan. That's a much more productive way to think about investing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more practical ETF investing content, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with someone who's planning for retirement or building passive income. And let me know in the comments, how much annual dividend income would make you feel financially independent. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.